today's video we will going to discuss about some books and their authors from the chapter Geographical Thought, and this is the part 2 of this kind of video. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for upcoming notification. So let's see our video. At first we see a book, Locational Analysis in Human Geography. This book is written by Peter Haggett. This is most important question, and this question was very important for the UGC Senate or SET exam for any state board. And then we see our next book. Next, Principle of Human Geography. This book is written by VIDAL-DE-LA-BLACHE, and we will see the next book. Now we will see another book, Morphology of Landscape. This book is written by CARLO, SAUER. This is most important. Morphology of Landscape is written by CARLO, SAUER. Next, Geography in the 20th Century. This book is written by Griffith Taylor, and we will see the next book. Pearls of Asia. This book is written by Huntington, and this Huntington is a climatologist. And now we'll see the next book. Hippocrates, Years, Water and Places. This book is written by Hippocrates. Next we will see the book. SCHAEFER, a German geographer. He published a paper, Exceptionalism in Geography, a Methodological Examination. In this, he presented a scientific approach to geography based upon the search for geographical laws. Richard HARTSHORNE was a prominent American geographer and professor at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. He specialized in economic and political geography and philosophy of geography. He is known in particular for his methodological work, The Nature of Geography, in 1939. In this book, he reflected his concern that geographers as scientists and scholars should familiarize themselves with and take account of past work in their field. The book itself became a standard in the field and remained in print for decades. The 7th edition was published in 2000. In this publication, HARTSHORNE focused on the two major themes. The first involved the debate in which European geographers of the 1930s attempted to decide whether geography should be primarily systematic or regional. Along with this, his second goal was to integrate the German and American tradition of the discipline. And we will see the next book. Charles Robert Darwin is famous for his theory of evolution and for a theory of its operation known as Darwinism. His evolutionary theories are published in his two books, Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection 1859 and Descent of Man and Selection in Relation to Sex 1871. The theory of evolution propounded by Charles Darwin, revolutionized the biological, environmental and earth science. This is the most important book which is written by Charles Darwin, and we will see the next book and authors. This is the most important question for books for the upcoming UGC NET or SET exam. And the question is Great Britain Use and Misuse of Land. This book is written by LD Stamp. It is very important question for the upcoming exam. And now we will see the next book. Makers of Modern Geography. This book is written by Dickinson, and this is another most important question for the exam. Next book, Anthropogeography or Anthropogeography. This book is written by Frederick RATZEL. Anthropogeography is a term used predominantly in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. That means roughly the geography of humans. The term comes from anthropogeography, the title of a 2-volume work published in 1882 and 1891 by the German geographer Frederick RATZEL. Civilization and Climate. This book is also written by Huntington, and we will see another book which is written by Huntington in our previous slide. So we will move to our next book. The Geography of Purans. This book is written by S.M. Ali in 1966. The Geography of Purans, and it is written by S.M. Ali in 1966. And we will see the next book. Next, TERE. This book is written by RECLUS. And there is some confusion about the publish of this book. Some geographers believe that this book published in 1866, or some geographers believe that this book is published 1867. So we can say that this book is published in between 1866 to 1867. TERE is written by RECLUS in 1866 to 1869. And now we'll see our next video and our last video for the geographical thought chapter and most important question in this topic. Man and Nature. This book is written by G.P. Marsh in 1864. G.P. Marsh written this book Man and Nature in 1864. This is the most important question for the exam. And in this video we will discuss about 17 important books and their writers for the upcoming exam. We will meet you in another video for important aspect to the exam. And if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for the upcoming notification, and stay tuned with us. Thank you.